A familiar Lowell landmark will soon come tumbling down. Construction crews over the past few weeks have been prepping the old St. Joseph's Hospital at Merrimack and Pawtucket Streets for demolition. This will make way for the new UMass Lowell University Crossing project. Crews have been removing metal and other valuable objects from the building over the past few weeks and are soon to be at the stage where the large cranes will move in and the walls will start being torn down. Another Lowell landmark leaving the scene.